Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to use the remote front panel feature. This feature is useful to remotely operate the machine from anywhere with an internet connection. To start, you will need to download a VNC Viewer, which you can download for free. Then, you will need to put your machine's IP address into the VNC Viewer. To find your machine's IP address, you can select the System Information button on the home screen of your MFP. Once we are in the VNC Viewer, at the top, put in the IP address of the machine. Once the IP address is in, it'll prompt the user for access at the MFP, and once that is granted, press OK. Here, we can see the home screen of the MFP and be able to operate it as if you were standing in front of the machine. For example, we can press System Information. We can go into the virus scan and see the last time a virus scan detection was ran. We can go into the job status, and we can operate any function that we want. The remote front panel feature is helpful to remotely operate the machine, troubleshoot, and help simplify training and support. And that is how you use the remote front panel feature.